Hey guys, welcome back. So after the glue set, I finished the stitching along the outside, and then I put this little leather concho on there just for a decoration. So this, anyway, I made it for this black one, but I gotta get the, I'm gonna have to go buy some small Torx to get the pocket clip off of it. This one's got a smaller clip, so it fits in there. And I think I'm just gonna, you can put a lot of different knives in it. It's not wet formed yet, but I think I'm just gonna leave it the natural color. Just rub a bit of this waterproof in. Aussie leather conditioner, it's good for saddles, stuff like that. And then this will turn gold naturally once all this stuff goes in there. But that's it for that one. That's cool little so thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button, comment, get notified. My next video is going to be with this buck 119, and I'm going to do something different that I've never done before. So we are going to make a sheath using birch bark. It's going to be an inlay, but I think it'll look pretty cool if it comes out the way I hope. But I just made a pattern for this today, and we're going to build it up. We're going to put some spacers in it, and then we're going to inlay some birch bark. So there you have it. There's the finish for that one. And make sure you tune in for the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.